There you go.
He only has
Yeah, son, you're like a hermit crab. You can't go anywhere. You only move from side to side. That's it. You're like the hermit crab that never was. He'll be okay. If he lives, he doesn't. That is simple as that. He will be missed greatly.
Don't say that.
In the moments of Hector Daniel Rivera. Hector.
Why you calling me Hector first of all? Stop calling me Hector. I met nobody here in school. Fuck, dude. No.
But you was graphic.
I especially met you with John. And you called me Ken.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
I remember perfectly. Me, Kenny invited me and Frank going to the house, and you and Jennifer asked me and Frank if we were gay, and I said no, but then I said, I don't know about Frank. Frank may be gay. He was like, no, I'm not gay, whatever. And then we all started wrestling. That's how we did.
Wrestling, we exploded. What you talking about? We tried taking them on. I don't know what happened. Because all I know is Danielle always called me after this happened and always saying, you know I'm in pain because of you, right? Like, fuck you mean? This is your fault. No.
Are you recording all of this?
I am now. I apparently erased the last tape. I don't know what happened.
Fine.
I pressed end. I thought it'd be stopped.
Why am I like the ultra?
That's fucked up. Don't bring my mama in this, alright?
I'll call Mom over and get out the tree. How about that?
She don't do shit. She already complaining, why you didn't call me? She was my babysitter. Fuck your baby. Yeah, she said, I ain't got no babysitter. What happened? You calling me? I'm like, what? Like, mom. Like, mom. Because they called me Action Chair at one point, Hector. How you... Still, it's the private. It hits you right here. That's a slave name. I chose Kenny. You don't call me that. Huh? Yo, on my station is A.K. Hendrix. You can't call me because you don't know what the A.K. stands for. That can mean also known.
Why not like the Chinese in front of me and penis?
It's a natural balance of life. Or is it? Ha ha ha.